Hi, I'm Jim Smith. I'm President and CEO of NRL Associates. I'm here today to tell you a little bit about NRL. NRL's been in business 35 years. We were formed in 1986. I came here as an energetic kid when I was 18 in 86, and it's been an incredible journey so far, and we look forward to the future. NRL is a contract manufacturer. We specialize, if it's metal or plastic, we can make it. Whether it's machining, fabrication, we do aerospace, aircraft, defense. We've done roller coasters. We do a lot of medical, maternal infant care division, NICU, a lot with incubators. We specialize in HLAs, higher level assemblies, where we can take one part number from you as an assembly and manage up to 300 component parts inside of that one part number. It's one of our specialties that we do here at NRL, and we're very proud of it. Aerospace, aircraft, do a lot of DoD work, a lot of defense. We really specialize in titanium welding, do a lot of commercial work. We do a lot of medical. It could be maternal infant care division, NICU, can also be ventilators. We had a huge push during the pandemic. Up to 4,000 to 5,000 units a month for month after month. A lot of commercial type work also, aircraft commercial work, commercial microwave work, cellular, communications, specialty gas industries. Whether you need high volume, low mix, low volume, high mix, just-in-time deliveries, whatever you need, we're here to service you. Our definition of ultra-precision milling is very precise type work. NRL is climate controlled throughout the entire facility. There's 150 tons of AC in the shop. The shop stays at 68 to 70 degrees, quality stays at 68 degrees. Our Yazdas are sitting on 40 inches of isolated concrete, glass scales on all axes, all 5 axes. Every machine in here has mist collection. Some of the machines have coolant filtration along with coolant chillers. There are some products we run that 4 degrees in temperature change of the coolant will scrap the part. Ultra precision milling, we used to use human hairs as your example of how accurate you can cut. With the Yazdas, we're now down to red blood cells. They're 57 millionths accuracy of an inch. Basically, you're cutting a red blood cell in half. That's the accuracy of ultra precision milling. We specialize in 5-axis. Most of our machines are anywhere from 22 pallets, 400 millimeter style, up to 60 pallets. We can run 24/7. During the pandemic, we were running 168 hours a week on 5 different spindles for months. We can take a 60 pallet machine and put 10 different parts, 6 of each on each pallet, where we can run 60 of all the same part. Tool management systems, the machines text us and tell us when they're down. If there is issues, they run around the clock. Don't get caught up on 5-axis. People hear 5-axis, 3-axis, so on. We do quite a bit of medical work that is a typical 3-axis part, but we do it in a 5-axis for the simple fact is we can pull it off complete. They come off right. The quality is very high. We get very lean on that type of the process. They need to stay on the 5-axis. That's where you get the highest quality and best price for the product. Back in February, we were contacted, 2020, from a customer that wanted to come back with ventilator work. 2 weeks into the negotiations, they called and said, hey, we got a call from the White House. We are now in a critical mode with COVID. We know we were talking to you guys about 4,000 systems a year, but we really need you to be at 4,000 systems a month, ASAP. During the middle of COVID, that was a challenge. We had to, A, protect the employees, B, understand what was going on with all of COVID, and ramp up to a pretty insane pace at a very quick period of time. Along with that, we went to a skeletonized work staff. The employees are the most important thing. You have to protect them. You have to understand what's going on and work through this. And we've learned a lot from it. We're ready for anything it brings at us. The way we look at it is it made us stronger, it made us better as a company, and we understand through that experience It was stressful and it was trying times, and we really appreciate, and I personally want to thank the employees for what they did during that, because you owe it as a human to step up and do what you can do to the best of your ability for society, and that's what we had to do. NRL is located in Stevensville, Maryland. We're 55,000 square feet approximately, 25 pieces of CNC equipment. Recently we've added another 7,500 square feet for fabrication. We have a 5x10 6,000 watt laser coming in, some servo press brakes. The fabrication side is somewhere where we're pushing to grow precision sheet metal. We do large weldments. We do titanium welding. We do MIG, TIG, all your standard specialties. And we're very excited about the new expansion. We look forward to growing it, and we'll be in contact with customers soon. NRL, there's 3 of us as owners, myself, Mike, and Rich. We each take different aspects of the business. Between the 3 of us, we have over 90 years experience in manufacturing. We're very proud of it. The advantage you have here at NRL over top of somebody else's, there are 3 owners. Our core group of individuals here are very strong. They've been with us 30 plus years. We're here to service you. We're here to make sure you get what you need. To contact NRL, you can visit us at our website, NRLAssociates.com. You can call 410-643-4063. You can get us on social media, on Facebook. You can get us on LinkedIn, but please reach out and contact us. Thank you.